Hey guys, what's up? This is Akash and welcome to my course where I will give you exact strategies and methods that I've used to transform myself from this to this within a short period of time. Now, for most people, the short period of time is probably a few weeks or a month. But if you're looking to transform yourself or lose at least 4 to 5 inches from your belly and from your face, then you need something which is more realistic, not just realistic, but it is enjoyable and most of all sustainable. So guys, if you see the before picture, my waist was 39 inches, and in the after picture my waist was 31 inches. So I lost 8 inches, and fast forward few years, I am still maintaining it. Currently my waist is about 30.5 inches. Now, it took me approximately 6 months to lose that 8 inches of belly fat. So let me just quickly do some maths for you. 8 inches is approximately 16 kilos of fat lost. So 1 inch is approximately 2 kilos or 4.4 pounds of body fat. Now I lost that over a period of 6 months, that is 24 weeks. So 35 pounds divided by 24 weeks is approximately 1.5 pounds of body fat lost every week. That is realistic, that is sustainable, you know. So this rate of weight loss is realistic, and it ensures that when you lose weight it doesn't bounce back, and that's the whole reason after few years of that transformation I'm still maintaining it. So what are you thinking? Just hit the enroll button and try this course completely risk-free for the next 30 days to see if it works for you or not. And I hope you will give me the opportunity to help and support you in your quest to burning belly and face fat and ultimately achieve the physique that you are proud of. I'll see you on the other side.